gold rush happening on YouTube right now, and almost no one is talking about it. A few days ago, I stumbled across a ridiculously profitable corner of YouTube that almost nobody is talking about: B2B asset economics. Channels like Mr. Finance and Millionaire Problems take complex, high-stakes businesses like casinos, gyms, and private jets and break down the raw math behind them. And the stats on these channels are insane. We are talking about hundreds of thousands of views per video in a finance niche where the RPMs sit anywhere between $15 to $40 per thousand views. Do the math on that. A single video can easily clear 10 to 20 grand in ad revenue alone. Now, if you actually analyze how these channels build their content, their visual strategies couldn't be more different. Mr. Finance relies mostly on super basic 2D stick figure drawings, while Millionaire Problems dumps endless, generic stock footage on screen. I looked at both of them and thought, we can do way better than stick figures and boring stock clips. So I built a completely original, hand-drawn 2D animation style specifically for this niche, and today I'm showing you step-by-step how to recreate it so you can jump into this space while the competition is still practically low. Let's dive right in. Now, before we begin the steps, we need a good video topic, and to make it very easy, just paste this master prompt in Claude and it will give you a lot of good ideas. Once you select a good idea, then we move on to actually creating the content. Step 1 is the script. If your script sounds like a dusty finance textbook, people are going to click off in 5 seconds. To prevent that, we run our topic through a master scripting prompt built around a proven 6-part framework. First, an inversion hook that immediately flips common sense on its head. Second, category segmentation to break the business into distinct price tiers. Third, the hidden costs like CapEx and OpEx. Fourth, the profit engine, followed by real-world case studies and a final financial verdict. Watch what happens when we run our topic: the economics of owning a private jet charter fleet. Instead of a boring corporate summary, it spits out a punchy 2,000-word story packed with real figures, maintenance nightmares, and zero fluff. Now for step 2, turning this script into a frame-by-frame visual storyboard. The cool thing about modern AI image generators is that they've gotten ridiculously smart. You don't need to write those crazy 200-word prompts full of weird buzzwords anymore. To keep our art style consistent across 50 different scenes, we pass our script into a master 2D visual workflow prompt. This prompt enforces 3 simple rules: a strict hand-drawn Cel-Art style with dark charcoal backgrounds, automatic conversion of numbers into hand-drawn infographics, and a few style keywords. It processes the script in batches of 30 sentences, keeping the detail sharp and organized. When you have the first batch, simply ask it continue until the full script is covered. After all the image prompts are provided, then it will ask for permission to provide the animation prompts. Now step 3 is generating the actual visuals, and for this, we are using Nano Banana 2 directly inside Google Flow for generating the images. We take prompt number 1 from our batch, drop it into Nano Banana 2, and hit generate. Look at that result, a clean, dark mode, hand-drawn frame. When the script mentions pilot salaries or jet fuel, Nano Banana 2 automatically formats it into a sleek, hand-inked infographic